Welcome to another Monarch Snapshot video. I'm Jason Martin, a Technical Innovation Product Manager here at the American Printing House for the Blind. In this video, we're going to cover putting the Monarch to sleep and shutting it down. We'll need two keystrokes, and that's up and down on the D-pad, or space and dot 1 or space and dot 4 to move through the menus.
Tactile, Braille Editor, Key BRF.
If we use those, we can move through the menus pretty quickly.
Tactile Viewer. Internet, Ecosia. Word Processor, Keyword. Internet,
I'm
Tactile,
moving up
Braille Editor,
and down.
Key BRF. Tactile, Internet,
So if we
Ecosia.
hit the power button, if we just tap it, the Monarch's going to go to sleep mode. On the display, will turn
Screen off.
black. The screen on the Braille display will display nothing, but your Monarch's still powered on. If we tap it again, it's going to wake it up, and it's going to go right back to the main menu.
Braille Editor, Key BRF. Braille Editor, Key BRF.
If we hold that button down, it's going to bring up another menu that has
Tablet options.
power off,
Power off.
and restart. If I use
Restart.
up and down, or space and 1, or space and
Power
4,
off.
I can cycle through this menu. To power off, I hit enter, and it shuts down. The
Shutting
same
down.
goes for restarting. This has been another Monarch Snapshot video from your friends at the American Printing House for the Blind and Humanware.